how big she is. When she was a little girl, that's how she needed to be.
¿Oíste, Alison? Tienes que comer. ¿Qué más dice usted, doctora? ¿Qué tienes que comer, Alison?
Sometimes a little bit of banana, fruit, or vegetable. Yeah. So she
Right.
needs to eat that.
Okay.
So can she put this? Allison? Allison, can you put this on?
Yes, dile, Alison.
Yes. So, does she go to school now, or she doesn't?
No, Alison.
See?
Not yet. Say, Alison. Alison, not yet. Say the doctor. Okay?
Okay. So, can you open all? It will hurt for a little bit, okay? Now, does she eat a bunch or a little?
A little.
Okay. So for today, we are going to get this for today. For tomorrow, no, come to school today.
But